Is Crash. Thank you. Right now, we are just hours away from taxes being due.
So if you haven't filed yet, it's time for, as some members of my family say, to get on the good foot.
There you go.
11 Alive's Molly Oak is live outside an Atlanta post office with some tips to help you avoid making any costly mistakes, Molly.
Yeah, you've got a couple more hours, right, guys, to go ahead and get your taxes in. And turns out the IRS says some of the most common mistakes it sees are really the simplest. So take a break from looking at those tax forms. Take a look at your screen. We've got a breakdown of what you need to look for before you file tonight. First, check to make sure your Social Security number isn't missing or inaccurate. It needs to look just as it does on your Social Security card. Now, while you have your card out, check to make sure your name appears the same on your taxes as it does on your Social Security card. And even if you filed an extension, remember, an extension of time to file does not mean an extension of time to pay, and not paying by tonight's deadline could cost you.
You're going to get penalties and interest added to your tax return bill when that time comes.
Now, math mistakes are another common error the IRS sees, so that's why I suggest using a tax software that'll do the math for you. It'll also flag any missing information or mistakes before you file. Reporting live in Atlanta, Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.
And Molly, the IRS is also reminding people to be aware that thieves are looking to snag your refund. The FTC is reporting Americans lost more than $10 billion to fraud last year. And in scams where people pretend to be from government agencies, customers lost out on $2.7 billion to criminals. So here's what the IRS says you can do to avoid falling victim. Never, ever give money to anyone over the phone, and do not open email attachments sent to you claiming to be from the IRS.